Okay, let's just start it off.
Well, I'm not even in the frame because his head is so large.
Let's just give him a second, see what he wants to do.
Hi, I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Sarah, and we are the Keto Twins. We've lost over 150 pounds following a keto lifestyle, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content.
So one of the types of videos I like watching are the what I eat in a day videos on YouTube, especially the ketogenic ones, because I'm always looking for ideas to kind of spice up what we're eating. So I thought instead of doing a what I eat in a day, since we only eat one meal a day typically, we would do a what we ate last week video starring the Keto Twins.
So on Sunday, I did a pork shoulder in the slow cooker, which we made carnitas out of. What about you?
On Sunday, we ordered delivery from a local place, and it came with, we had gyros. It's a gyros plate instead of having the fries and the pita, which I love, but we always throw it away. I just use low-carb tortillas, and it tastes great. I love getting that option, and I love that at restaurants are starting to offer things instead of fries. They offer side salad instead, so I feel like they're catering towards me, and I like to spend my money at places that are willing to give healthier options. So that's what we had on Sunday.
So this was like my first week back at work, so the theme of the week was making bulk meals so I didn't have to cook every day when I came home. So I made, like I said, for Sunday, I made a pork roast in the slow cooker, and I had a carnitas bowl with just a bunch of toppings on Monday. How about you?
On Monday, I made a steak from Butcher Box along with some Brussels sprouts and a very, very rich béarnaise sauce that my husband was like just amazed by. He thought it was like the greatest thing ever. He kept on saying how luxurious that we could eat such a thing on the keto diet. So that's why I love that kind of thing. It's so rich and it tastes so great. And that's what I had on Monday. What about Tuesday?
My husband requested on Tuesday that I make the easy low carb lasagna that we actually have a video of, and we'll link it in the description below. And using cut to carb wraps as the little like pasta layer. So I made a big helping of easy low carb lasagna that we ate on Tuesday. What about you?
On Tuesday was kind of one of those days where I didn't really think about what I was going to eat for dinner. And so we had some more steaks from Butcher Box, which is a monthly meat subscription that's all humanely raised and organic. And so I just had a couple of steaks. So I also had a couple bags of cauliflower rice left over in our freezer. So I just made some cauliflower rice with some lime and some salt, garlic, and it actually tasted really awesome. I also had a bag of frozen green peppers that I just threw in there too. And it was actually really delicious. My husband wants to have that again this week. It's kind of funny how those meals that, you don't expect.
You just throw some stuff together.
Right, they end up being the meals that you like.
Yeah. And that's why, stuffing your pantry full of like low carb options, like proteins and vegetables, frozen vegetables,
right.
Like she said, have plenty of cauliflower rice on hand. You can really whip up something, on the go.
Right.
And it doesn't have to be the same recipe every time. You can switch it up with whatever you have, and it kind of will all go together. So make sure to keep your pantry stocked. So my week was pretty repetitive, unfortunately, because I did do the batch meals. But on Wednesday, I ate more of the low-carb lasagna. So what did you have?
We just recently discovered the magic of the chaffle. I know that this has been like all the rage in keto world over the past, 4 or 5 months?
Yeah.
But my husband and I never even tried it. But we finally got ourselves one of those Dash waffle makers, and we tried a chaffle. It was just like a plain chaffle. Like we ate it with like butter and sugar-free maple syrup last week.
Mm-hmm.
But it was like a light bulb moment. My husband was like, oh my God, I can't believe that this tastes so good for what it is. A chaffle is just basically mozzarella and an egg. Mm-hmm. So we made chaffle burgers and they were awesome. Like they really
have like
hit the spot.
a chaffle sandwich or anything, but we're planning on making some soon. So I'm excited to try them out.
So on Thursday, I had plans to make like a shredded slow cooker chicken, and I had this packet. It was like some kind of Thai curry packet that my husband bought on sale, and he was really excited to use it. But then, I don't know, I put it in there and I thought it was like, okay, it smelled all right. But like 3 or 4 hours later, I smelled it again and I was like, I don't know about this. I don't like the way it smells. And then I tasted it and it just tasted off, and like it kind of like broke. Like, was that what it's called?
Yeah.
It like split or something, yeah. And it seemed disgusting.
It separated.
So I made an SOS plea to my husband on his way home from work to get me Chipotle, which is like one of my favorite go-to meals. I get a Chipotle steak salad, and I just literally dump it into low-carb tortillas that I fried lightly in oil. and it's my happy space. So I like eating it. I know that it's not like, super clean or whatever, but it works for me. So
Well, we follow mostly lazy keto anyway, where we just try to stay under 20 net carbs. That's how we do our keto diet. Other people are more strict with, doing fat and protein ratios.
Right.
We just try to stick to one meal and just one day worth of under 20 net carbs to make sure that we're in ketosis, and it works well for us.
We've lost, quite a bit of weight doing it this way, and I feel like it gives us the
flexibility,
right, to eat the way that we want. And when we do eat, we eat like these really amazing meals. So
I don't want to say we eat like kings, but I feel like we do really I feel so full and just really satiated after I have our meals, which I feel like a lot of people on diets feel like they're restricted. And eating this way makes you feel like you can eat such great meals and still lose weight. So that's why we follow more of a lazy keto lifestyle.
We were carb addicts for 25 years, 35 years. And so I think that this is just a big difference from what we were doing before, and we're really finding results. I mean, you might have to weigh and track your food and your macros and all that kind of stuff, but honestly, we haven't gotten to that point yet. And so we do like to follow the lazy keto diet. And that's what our actual Facebook group is, support, keto chat support and motivation. And we do say that it's lazy keto in the description. So if you guys want to join our group, we have a very small but growing membership that's full of nice people. You can visit our channel page, and the link is in the banner to the channel page.
And while you're there, maybe subscribe so that you can get more of our content.
Anyways, that was a segue because we still have yesterday.
Oh, no, Thursday. I didn't talk about what I had on Thursday. But on Thursday, my husband decided to make some creamy ranch bacon chicken in our Instant Pot. We've been, avoiding using this thing because I personally was scared of it. I don't know. Pressure cookers are kind of weird. So we started using that, and he's been making, hard-boiled eggs in there, and he really likes it. So he made some creamy bacon ranch chicken, and it was really delicious. You could top it, over some cauliflower rice or something like that, but we just ate it plain, and we decided to make a video for that, so we'll link that recipe down in the description below if you want to watch it. It's really good, and it makes about 4 servings or so check it out.
So Friday, I just ended up having a chaffle burger again. My husband, he was like, we need to have another burger, so I just kept it simple. I don't care if I repeated it because it's so
well, if
damn
you really
good.
like something, eat it, enjoy it. You can on this diet, you know what I mean? So she had a chaffle burger, and we actually ordered barbecue from this place that was that is really close to our house, and I had the brisket, which is really good. It has this black crust on it. I didn't take a picture of it, and pulled pork, and I had a little side of coleslaw. But I only eat a little bit because coleslaw has sugar, right. So I try to stay really minimal, just a little bit on my low-carb tortilla, and I put some sugar-free barbecue sauce on there as well, and I love it. It's a great meal. I have it at least once or twice every couple of weeks because it's close by and it's just really filling. So that's what we ate this week. I hope you guys found this inspirational or something. Maybe give you some ideas on new recipes to try. It's fine to batch cook stuff. Why cook every day? And with an Instant Pot or slow cooker, it's kind of a great option. Or making chaffles. Switch it up. Keep it interesting. That's the beauty of the low carb lifestyle, is to eat things that are luxurious, and since we do one meal a day, we can have a really big meal. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Sarah.
I'm Emily. And we are the Keto Twins. Bye.
Bye.